today's video, we are going to learn how to add serial numbers by using sequence formula. So generally how we can add the serial number. So I have this data employee names. So I want to add serial numbers to this data. So what we can do generally, we can type manually 1 and 2. Then we need to select this two cells, and then we need to double click here. Then the numbers will be added to the whole data. But if we add any other name, for example Raj, the number will again we need to add the number manually. So we can get this automatically. We will see how to do that. So the formula is equals to sequence, open bracket, count A. Then we need to select the whole column where we have employee names. I have selected this. Then you need to close the bracket. Again you need to close the bracket. Then enter. See the numbers added here beside the names. And if you add any name, Raj, a number is automatically added. Serial number is automatically added. If you add another number like Kaushik, see the numbers will automatically added by using this formula. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe our channel PYT.